Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make dinner rolls. Please, after watching, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. The ingredients that I'll be using today are 300 milliliters of milk, 600 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 whole egg, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 60 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar. First, pour the milk into your bowl. Your yeast, followed by your egg, and whisk. After that, pour in your flour. Followed by your sugar and the salt. Use your wooden spoon to mix everything together. After that, cover it and allow to rest for 10 minutes. Here is our dough after 10 minutes. Add in your butter. Mix it with your hand. Sprinkle some flour on your working area and bring out the dough. And start kneading until the dough is soft. Don't worry, the dough will still come together as you continue kneading it. Put it in your oiled bowl and cover to rest for 1 hour. Cover to rest for 1 hour. Here is our dough after 1 hour. Then divide the dough into 8 pieces. And mold them this way. Take one and roll it out a bit. Then roll it up. After that, place it in the pan. This is it. Cover it and allow to rest for 1 hour in a warm place. Here are our rolls after 1 hour. It is time to egg wash them. Inside here I have 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk mixed together. Bake it for 18 to 20 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. This is the outcome of our dinner rolls. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.